Good morning, Balers. I'm Matt Baker.
And I'm Jason Miranda, and you're watching the Daily Bulletin.
We are all travelers in the wilderness of this world, and the best we can find in our travels is Our Honest Friend by Robert Louis Stevenson.
Students, thanks to everyone who has filled out the National School Lunch Program application so far, we have given away 3 Nintendo Switches, multiple yearbook vouchers, and every class has reached the donut prize.
From now until October 31st, if a single class reaches 60% participation, each person in that class will receive a free piece of pizza. ASB will be raffling off 4 $50 gift cards and the last Nintendo Switch at the Halloween lunch. Sign up before then to be entered.
South County Cal Soap invites students of all ages and their parents to the annual college fair at San Benito High School on Thursday, October 25th, 2018, from 5 to 7 p.m. in the Matson Gym. There will be college representatives ready to answer all of your questions about admissions, tuition, student life, housing, admissions, and more. Join us for this great event. For questions, stop by the Career Center.
Lady Baler basketball open gym times are as follows: Wednesday 5:30 to 7, and Fridays from 3 to 4:30 p.m. in the O'Donnell Gym. See you out there.
Friendship Friday, lollipop grams with a ILY hand shape will be on sale Thursday and Friday in room 355 for $1. Send them to all your friends. They will love the surprise. Support ASL Club.
Do you know what is odd? Every other number. Come to the math club meeting Monday, October 22nd in room 174 at lunch. All students are welcome. We will be playing the game Set.
There's an informational meeting about Fashion Club Thursday at lunch in room 452. Everyone is welcome.
Don't miss Spy School this Friday at 7 in the auditorium. Tickets are in the Student Payment Center. $6 for students, $5 with ASB. Adults and all tickets at the door are $7.
Wednesday's noontime activities involves wall art, so if you think you have some artistic talent, come on out. Thursday is Giant Pants Soccer for the SBHS Juego de Football in honor of Mexico City. Which big city will the Balers hit next? Find out on Friday. Each day, the winners will get a ticket to enter the drawing to win a couple's ticket to the fall homecoming dance.
Drama students going on the field trip to C13 meet at 8:35 in room 223 on Wednesday. Wear good walking shoes.
We need performers for our variety show in January, so if you sing, dance, act, juggle, play a musical instrument, etc., get those acts together. Auditions are January 14th, and they need to be show ready. For more information, see Miss Porter in room 223.
Open gym for boys basketball will be held Tuesdays and Thursdays from 5 to 7 p.m. in the O'Donnell Gym, except for October 16th.
Looks like it's the end of our bulletin.
And remember, go Balers!
Go Balers!
And happy Friday.